Hello friends, welcome to Tutorial Days, and in this video you are learning PHP MySQL. And in this video we are going to discuss about comments in PHP. We have already seen how we can put comments in PHP, but in this video especially we are going to focus on how to comment and how to use shortcut. So basically what happens, this is comments, okay? This one is comments. So any code which you don't want to show to the user, and this is skipped by the compiler. Whenever we put this comment, then compiler comes here, then it is skipped. It doesn't compile. Simply it proceeds further. Also, for a good programmer, this is a good practice that you should use comment, because sometimes what happens, the code you have used, the logic which you have used, you may forget after maybe 15 days, maybe 1 month, 2 months, that why you had used that code. So this is a good practice for any programmer, for any developer, that you should comment the code and write why you had used that code that time. So it will be easier for you as well. As suppose you are working in a company and you had worked on a certain program, and after you had left that company, then the new programmer can understand, reading your comment, that okay, so this code has been used for this purpose. So this is a good practice for any good developer if you want to use comment. So this is called single line comment. I had already used this. You had seen in this program we had used this single line comment. This is single line comment. If you want to use shortcut for this, then control shift and forward slash, control shift and forward slash. Okay, once again, if you want to comment, then control shift forward slash, control and forward slash. So single line comment, it will put single line comment, control forward slash. Okay, press control at with one finger and then press forward slash, then it will comment. Once again, if you select and then press, then comment will go. So guys, this way you can put single line comment. Basically what happens, if you have more line of comment, then putting single line comment takes more time. Okay, so in that case what you will do, press control plus shift plus forward slash. In that case it will create a multi-line comment. So in multi-line comment what happens, it creates forward slash, then star, and then while closing this star and forward slash, that means this is reverse. First forward slash and then star, here first star then forward slash. So this way you can create multi-line comment. Once again, if you want to remove this, then select all things and just press control shift and forward slash, comment will automatically get disabled from here. So you can switch between this through control shift with one finger and forward slash, so you can use this command. And remember, when I just put this comment, that means compiler will come, this will check, this will check, this will check, this will be ignored, this will check, this will be ignored, whole things will be ignored. Okay, so this way this comment in PHP works. And as I mentioned before, this is a good practice for any developer, that you should put comment why you have used that code, so that when you forget later, maybe after a few months, then you yourself can understand why you had used that comment. Apart from that, any other developer who reads your code can easily understand why you had used that code. So guys, that's it in this video in comment. So stay connected. In the next video we will see further more interesting things, so stay connected. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.